Hello, it is Forrest, and I am going to be doing a video with my dog and my brother. My brother is going to have my dog's toy on his head, and my dog is just going to freak out and try to get it, so I hope you enjoy. Go.
What? What? Why are you staring at me? My leg! Better put it back on. Is he still? What are you doing? Mister, what are you doing? Hey, that is not your water. Okay, I'll get you some water. Okay. Now, I'm gonna Jesus and God. You used to be cool. You used to be cool, bro.
Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and make sure to get lots of views.